as a hot feat, the two major political parties in this country have always had a leadership problem. He also stated quite frankly that whenever there is a leadership issue in any organization, it's a sign that the current leader is not in charge. A recent poll cooked up by Phil Johnson has placed the People's Food Party in the #1 position. The one candidate that everyone is talking about is the newly nominated Ranny Jones, who will run in the westerly North-South New Kingston constituency. He's an engineer by profession and comes from a very large family of 14 children. The surprising thing about Ranny Jones is that he has no children of his own, though he's married to 2006 beauty contestant Thelma Heath. Ranny is the PFP spokesman on agriculture with special emphasis on corn and cassava, otherwise known as Kisada.
What is wrong with this tip? Sir. What the hell is wrong with our chip? Hello, Ronald Jones here. Hey, Hardley, what's up, man? Yes, man, I got the message, man. I will be at the party. Don't worry yourself. Eh? No, man. Hey, you did see the backside on the girl, you know? All right. Don't worry yourself, man. Your secret's safe with me, all right? All right, good. Tell you this man, no easy at all, man. Jesus Christ, man. What the hell is wrong with it?
Well, hello there, handsome.
I have to go back on the road, here.
Honey, where are you going again?
I have a party meeting.
But it's our anniversary. You just got home.
I know, but you know the party come first, man.
You know this is damn foolishness. How can you be out working for the people when the little job that I have in the bedroom is not being done? You know, Mr. Jones, if you continue like this, you may find yourself becoming the Minister of Agriculture in your party, but the opposition spokesman of mining in this party.
Tell me, I don't want you forgetting that marrying me was the best damn thing that ever happened to you.
You know, you're so damned cocky.
Cocky is right.
So what would you want me to do? Impregnate myself?
Might as well you do that. Now, you know, really and truly, I'm sick and tired of running down the pitch, Pulling the best bouncers. And up to now, I can't even get a wicket.
You know what your problem is? You're not watching your line or your length. I think you're bowling too damn wide off the mark.
You know, tell me that's not the problem, You know what is really there. That's not the problem, tell me. You know what is the problem? You're not listening to me when I talk to you. Because I look at you and I said, baby, let's have a baby now, man. But then all you ever seem to talk about is sex, Thelma. I changing around again and I said, all right, let's start a family then. But all you ever worry about is multiple orgasms. Thelma, you know what I realize? That you just don't get it. And that's precisely why you won't be getting it.
The doctors already told us that we only have a 35% chance of becoming pregnant. How then can we convert that into having a baby when you're absent from the bedroom 100% of the time? You see, the only thing I want from you right now is a very high sperm count.
What? You dare to question my sperm count? Then you don't seem to realize, that I come every time that I go. Then it's not a little 38 pipe I firing round here, Then my Zuzi I firing. Rah! Rah!
Even so far, you have failed to impress me with those shots, so they must be blanks. And, if you're referring to that small speck of liquid that comes out of your manhood, that couldn't even drown an ant.
I have the perfect response for you, but I'm going to hold it. It's better I go concentrate on my election campaign. At least I guarantee to win that, because I'm certainly not winning nothing around here.
You go right ahead and work on that election campaign of yours. I should have known when we were getting mad that you're a politician, so you could not have been taken at your word.
Damn right. I am a politician, Thelma. And you of all people should know that as a politician, we never have one plan yet. Hey, you don't notice them boys out there in politics. You see when they move at that party and it's not working out, they jump to the other party. And you see when the other party start flip-flop, Thelma, they jump back to the first party. It's called forward planning, Thelma. That is why I, Randy Jones, always have my plan A or B. Thank you.
When you go right ahead and work on that plan B. But you see, while you're working on that plan, you will be mindful of my plan F, see? You think it's only Beverly Manley alone can give bond? I'll burn him in fort.
No. You listen to me. You just make sure that it's Dr. Susan First that is written on that check when I get there to pick it up. Dr. Susan First. Good. Oh my God, man.
Boy, Susan, that is always happened to you.
What is the matter with these people?
I think you should get mad and change that last name of yours, you know.
I must tell you, is the same thing happened to me today in the bank?
You know, but why do bad things happen to good women?
Same thing I'm trying to say to you.
You know, I'm faithful, I'm educated, and I support my husband in all that he does. Why?
Thelma, it's not everything in life can be explained, you know, as I'm trying to say to you.
I know that you know, Susan. But you know, some girls have kids by the dozen and they don't even know who the father is. You know, should be able to have children.
And they really don't care, you know. But tell me something, how badly does your husband want to have children?
Very badly.
Oh.
You know, it has gotten so bad. I think if I don't give him a child soon, a divorce is imminent.
No, why would you think about that? Think about something else, no woman.
Susan, you know we had a fight last night.
How badly was it?
That's the third one this week. You know, I think he's going to get somebody who's pregnant, you know.
Think about something else, woman.
Susan, I'm a woman. I'm just reading between the lines.
Well, take something else out of the line and read it for Christ's sake. Good goose, man.
You know, how long have you been friends?
We've been friends for quite a while, you know. Voila.
So why can't you get me pregnant? Susan, I need to feel like a woman, you know. Susan, read me now.
Don't get too desperate now, you know. Tell me something. Have you ever thought about an adoption?
My husband would never go for that.
Have you ever thought about someone having the child for you?
Surrogacy?
Come on, Thelma, man. They do these things in India as a business, you know. Let me tell you something. You see, if you sell him the idea properly, especially if he loves you, he'll go for it. And if he doesn't love you, then what the hell is saving the marriage? You move on, man. Move on.
So where would we find such a girl? Like, how much would this cost?
Well, most importantly, you know, it wouldn't cost you much. And, you know, we'll find the right girl with the right attributes who's humble and just suitable just for the job, you know. And we'll get sperm from Rani to impregnate the girl.
You know, she has to be fairly tall, because my husband is not attracted to short girls.
You come here one minute now. No, you tell me something. How did he marry you?
Yeah, that's a long story, you know.
What did I tell you? All the details that you can tell, you know?
Oh, honey, you're home. How was your day today?
Hi, Mr. Jones. How was your day today? Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. So how was your day today?
Tell me something, Doc. Have you ever had one of those days yet where you're happy but sad at the same time?
I know what you mean about that.
You know, I just coming from the hospital.
What in God's name is
My
that?
younger brother.
Oh.
Just turned 22, you know.
22?
Had his first child today.
Congratulations, man! Thelma, you know, right, the brother just have his first child today, you know. So tell me something. How are they doing?
Well, they're doing fine.
Oh, good.
But I can't say the same for me. I mean, I'm almost twice his age, you know, Doc.
Well,
and I don't have a child yet.
Oh.
Will you give yourself some psychological breathing space? Yeah. The doctor has something to discuss with us.
Thelma, if that won't end with you getting pregnant, don't talk to me.
Well, you see, I've come up with a plan. I mean, Thelma and I have come up with a plan. That we'll find a woman who will bear child just for you.
What? What are you saying to me, Doc? That will write off, Thelma?
Thelma! Good man. What in God's name is wrong with you, man? Come on, man, have a little compassion, man. Have a little heart. Listen, Thelma is infertile. Is either that or on adoption, you know?
I will find somebody else to breed.
Oh. You know, you're talking shit.
No.
Look, why is it that every time we come up with a solution to this problem, you go ahead and make it worse?
This problem? But it's not about this problem, Thelma. It's your problem. You know, you were the one that told me when we got married, you know, that you would have been able to have children. Now all of a sudden you want to come and be doctor first.
Oh.
Look at it now, man.
Well,
I mean, I'm a politician, for Christ's sake, you know. You know, all we do is kiss babies. Now imagine, I'm there on the campaign trail, right? And I'm kissing babies, and all of a sudden, from the back of the audience, a man shout out, "Some ass ran. When are you going to kiss your horn?" Can you imagine how that feels? Oh. Do you have this?
You know, you're standing there complaining. I'm not even sure if you can get anyone pregnant.
Coffee your sister bring come.
You know, you're passing the place. But you see, if you think that the sun revolves around the earth and it's not the other way around, you need to take a freaking trip to the moon. You son of a bitch.
Aye, Thelma. Don't think you're going to fire them shot down, just walk away like that, you know. Thelma, come back here.
Granny?
Shut up. Oh. Thelma Jones, I demand that you put your foot right back here right now, you know, woman.
Granny?
Because shut up. Thelma, you know what the reality of the situation is? I am really getting sick and tired of you blaming me for your inefficiencies, you know. I shut up. No, man. Look at it, Thelma. Look at it, no, man. I'm a me can't breed. It's you.
Granny, for Christ's sake, that's your wife for crying out loud, man. How can you speak to her in such a manner? Why don't you try to use the strength to solve the problem instead of making the problem worse than it really is, you know? You need a drink. Gosh.
Doctor first. You know I'm going to allow you to get away with what you just said here a while ago. And that's because I have some respect for you, you know. Oh, you see what just happened here? It's my private affair. Some would appreciate it if you just butt out.
You know you're so goddamn right about that. You are so blasting right about that. Because the men like you are always find blanks and too ignorant to accept it, Randy Jones. But it doesn't matter who you go to, your problem will never be solved. You can go ahead and disrespect your wife. But let me tell you something, Randy Jones. I'm out of here. Ready out of order and you know, I just cannot believe you. Good gosh, man. Mercy.
Doctor first.
What is it?
Come back here.
You're something else.
Come on back inside, man. I don't know if you realize this, you know, but I will be the one paying you. Come back inside. Please.
Good, man. Have a little compassion, man. Have a little heart, for Christ's sake.
Doc, look. I know that I mean that I've been going about this thing the correct way, you know. Believe it or not, I really love my wife, and I just want to find a solution.
Then if you love your wife, think about it. Think about it. It's a very sensitive matter, honey. So you have to treat it with sensitivity, or someone is bound to get hurt, man. For good.
I know. All right, just explain the whole seriously.
Are you willing to give a listening ear?
I'm listening, Doc. Jeez.
Well, first and foremost, we'll find a woman who will bear a child for you. And that child is yours for care and development.
And where you gonna find a woman like that?
Ah, that's where I come in, you know. I'll make sure I find someone who has the right attributes, who's humble and just for their job, you know.
Adam. Doc, you know, I just worry that you may go and find somebody with a questionable background, you know, man.
That's where I come in, you know. I make sure I find someone who doesn't know anything about you, because we don't want this to get out in the media.
But, Doc, you know, sometimes I just think a divorce might be simpler, you know.
A divorce? In the middle of your election campaign? Come on, Mr. Jones, think about it. Think about it.
All right, tell me something. If I should agree to work with what you say, what sort of money we're talking about?
Well, we're talking about like $3 million, you know. And
that's all right, man. I thought it was more than that. That's good.
And that's exclusive of my fee.
Yeah, I said it was okay.
$3 million.
Doc, $3 million a chicken feed, you know, man. Listen to me. I go and work with what you say, you see? But I have a couple suggestions of my own that you going to have to run with.
Well, let us hear.
No. You see this girl that you're going to get? She has to be short.
Short?
She also has to be brown. And I don't mean a bleach brown.
Okay.
No. She has to have long hair, bow legs. Oh, and she cannot have any boyfriend, you hear? Most importantly, she should not have any children. All right?
No children?
No.
Come on, Mr. Jones, we have to get someone with better experience. So in God's name you think this is going to work? Think about it.
You're right. I'll concede on that one, but that's the only one, right? But, oh, yeah. I know you're talking about money now. Well, you know, I can't touch the whole money thing myself. So what it is, I'm stop by the office on Monday.
Monday?
Speak with Rose. Tell her you're there to collect the check for the constituency children's fund.
The check for the The check for the constituency children's fund?
Yes.
I like it. Thelma, I'm off now, you know. Your husband is seal of the deal. By the way, Mr. Jones, I really must tell you, you know, you politicians really know how to rob people.
Watch ya, and that me can't take with them, you know. That I mean, what the phone seater, who lick well seater?
I'm living on my head with 4 DD.
What you licky little girl with 4 DD in her head for? And I take for a grub?
Yes, mommy.
What you rest all licky me not female? Yes, he even know what teach you from now not to take shit from anybody. Jesus, peace, man. Don't get too much blasty trouble, man. Sure. Can't bother with you no attack. I'm coming. Yeah, hello. Yeah, me name Del C Tower. For me gate. The woman if you dare me gate, you know, come on in my yard and tap, we see all of me credit. Outside.
You're the seater?
Yeah, you call me little while.
Oh, yes.
Me know your face. Yeah, man, your face always come on TV when they got disaster.
Oh.
Look here, you will have to me ziggy blow off in a storm and he blow by the woman there and look your back one alone.
I'm not here to speak to you about that, you know.
Oh, election? Me never vote. Me no idea.
No, I'm not here to speak to you on that either.
I want it.
You see, my name is Dr. Susan Fest.
Rotted, me must be sick bad then.
Well, I hope not. You see, I'm here from Kingston.
Kingston?
Yes.
Kingston?
Yes.
Why? Murder, why? Why? My boyfriend, he drive taxi, mom, and he left here this morning, can't want trip gone at all. Me tell him no go.
Listen.
He lick you at all, mom? No. No, talking God shooting kill you at all?
It's nothing like that, you know.
What then?
You're the seater, right?
Yeah.
You have 2 sisters, one by the name of Jennifer.
I want you and Pamela, true woman that got me come on, go tell about it with Jesus, please. Me say, Pamela and Jennifer, they bright so tell. You see, Pamela and Jennifer, they there one university where play.
Germany.
Oh, you know, sir. Yes. Me say, me could not do that with them, you know. But you see, there when me mother said me if you go take a common chance exam.
You mean common entrance?
Yeah, that one day, I seek so tell. So me mother say, all right, no worry yourself, try again. But by that time there, the government cut 30 common chance. And they come in do one exam named NAP. You remember NAP? Yes, man. And my mother buy up me book them, you know. And my teacher, they back at me, you know. And me say, their exam, you know. Me go in the exam ready like a Freddy and drop asleep.
About that, you know, but little things happen to everyone in life. You get to brush off and you move along. You know, you don't pay that much any mind. But I'm really here on a business matter. Business.
Business?
A business.
Then I that you want no gas from town come to me for?
Why not?
Hata me no business woman.
You don't have to be a businesswoman to speak business, you know.
Alright, Guanta. Me I listen, Guanta.
Tell me something, my dear. How would you like to get pregnant?
Miss, when you not come, you see, you pass cheap picking around this.
Three wonderful girls playing like crazy outside.
Yeah, man, 3 wonderful maga girls. Taki got shoot. When me I do it belly again, when me I do it more bikini again. You saw them maga, then they born maga, you know, cause me can't feed them. If me get pregnant again, somebody would have got to pay me.
Then you know you're right, you know. Because you'll be paid $500,000 just to be a child for a couple who cannot have children.
500,000?
500,000.
500 to, how much money that?
Tell me something there, Sita. How much money do you earn a week?
Well, when me do help a job, me get like $3,000 a week.
$3,000, that's not money there, Sita. $500,000 will take you way ahead in life. You wouldn't even have to work for at least 3 years, you know.
Allah, yeah, that's 3 years. That I mean, look at drive out there if you come back in a yard, so we now go get for 3 years. Let me case and come back. That's a problem. Case and come back 3 years. Wow!
You don't have to tell your whole neighborhood your business.
In your mouth, no, they over there, so see them still over there, so.
Listen to me. This is a very delicate matter, so your boyfriend does not have to know about this, you know?
So how if you get pregnant and me man no know?
Sita, what is the matter with you? You know, I will take you to my surgery where I will get you pregnant.
You know, sitting come out here with a nastiness. Come. Ready? Come, take it. Come on, there, so.
Dear God, how could you?
Anna me, how could you? Way backside me and you are not doing a surgery. Listen to me, man. Me treating also talk to me treat.
You know, I'm really very sorry to take your day up. Very sorry to take your time up. But it seems as if you have no use for $500,000. I'll best be on my merry way. Jackie, do me a favor, my darling.
No, call Jackie. Tell Jackie wrong number. I saw me miserable so my time. But that's
Jackie, I'll speak to you later. Sorry about that.
something all right.
Oh.
When you turn up over that side, yeah, you said that said me I get 500,000. Make you cut your way down to $500,000.
You know, you're something else, you know. You see, I've spoken to maybe about 12 women today. I know to all of them, you're one of the best ones I come across.
So you give me deposit?
And you haven't even said yes as yet.
Then if you give me deposit, me not say yes. You must not know say money make their seat again up. Doctor, something just crossed me brain.
Oh, yes, go ahead.
You see, if you could have round up.
Oh, yes.
Round up. $500,000 more, would tell me boyfriend.
You're something else, you know, but listen up. As we go through the procedure, we will see what happens.
Oh, yeah.
Now, come here. I want you to listen up carefully. These are some tablets. You must take one after your breakfast in the mornings and absolutely no sex.
Oh, no go away. Here what? This is for your part. Take it back with deposit.
Here's something else, you know. What is your full name?
My full name, Delcita Coldwater. Wait, where you do?
I'm writing you a check.
Okay, you got change it.
You take it to the bank and you get it changed.
Doctor, when you come, me tell you say, me no have no ID. You see, me boyfriend, he could have changed it with the driver's license, you know, but I don't feel him face upon it.
You're something else.
Me no understand. Me no understand, you know. When me I do it check, next thing check bounce and me left with belly.
It's all right here and you don't even have to count it, you know. All right there.
I know me not count it. If you wrong, you don't get no baby.
Don't forget the tablets. You must take one after your breakfast in the morning and absolutely no sex.
So when you ever tell me boyfriend say feel head not good enough?
Come here. You tell him that you're going away to work in New York in a hotel for 9 months. Can you remember that? Come on, man. You can remember all of that, man.
Yeah, man.
You're going away to work in New York in a hotel for 9 months.
Yeah, me remember, man.
Good. Now you have a nice day now, Desita.
Yeah, man, all
right. I'll get back to pick you up on Wednesday.
Yeah.
And Desita, remember now, absolutely no sex.
sex?
Yeah, no sex after breakfast.
Honey, are you home? Hon?
Yes, Thelma.
Honey, come and see what's about for our baby today.
You know, this is why I can't take all this damn man. How she good for to spend off man damn money.
Honey, will you hurry up?
What is it, Thelma?
Aren't these cute?
Thelma,
Yes.
I'm going to ask you a question, you see? And I really know the answer to it already. Now. I don't even know why I go and bother. But when you was thinking about this whole surrogacy thing, you see, don't you think that maybe you should have spoken to me first before you went for the doctor? Can you tell me? You don't get it, don't. I know. You never get it. I don't know why I bother. God.
But honey, you know, every time I try to talk to you, you get upset. Sometimes I don't know how to approach you. So, are we okay with this?
Tell me you can't wash the glass in. Jesus.
So, how is your campaign coming on?
You know, sometimes I think the campaign doing far better than the marriage, you know. Yeah, man.
You don't have to say that. But I know you'll win because you're a very strong man. And you know what they say about strong men? There's always a very strong woman behind them. Am I not a strong woman, honey? But you know my father will be going to Cuba.
So what that have to do with me?
He'll be doing an operation on his eyes.
I still don't see what that have to do with me.
Baby, he may have to stay here for a while until he's good and ready to go. Guys can hang out.
Let me go. Let me go. Thelma, you know, I realize that when I talk to you, that go through 1 year and come back to the next one, you know. Thelma, I've been saying to you for the longest while, I'm in the middle of my election campaign. I need to come into a house that is conducive to me winning this campaign, Thelma.
Listen, man, your parents come here all the time and I can't stand it.
But that's precisely the fact that I talk here. I'm not talking to you, man. What is wrong with you? Listen to me. I am the man in this damn house. When I talk, you don't walk. What? Hey, listen to me. Let me tell you something, you see. What we're trying to achieve here, you know, Thelma, is this whole semblance of a nuclear family, Thelma. Thelma, you understand what I'm saying to you? Thelma, look up there. Look up there. Hey? On that wall is a picture of me, right? Over here is a picture of you. Over there, Thelma, is a picture. No, you tell me. What is missing out of the equation? And don't tell me your father, you know. Thelma, a child. That is what is missing, Thelma. A child, Thelma. When we talk about a family, you know, we're talking about a husband, a wife, and a child. Not a husband, a wife, and a papa. You understand what I'm saying to you, Thelma? Thelma, you don't get it. Thelma, look at me. We're talking about a family.
Hey! Take out your dirty man! Come out of this!
Don't talk to me, say you're damn fool!
Me don't see you anywhere! I'm in my age!
Listen, my legs stay on speed!
Yes! You look like paper!
You look like backside! You look like crab!
Daddy!
Who on your backside? I'm chasing out the boy! Who are you?
Daddy!
Wait, tell me, are you?
Yeah, what is wrong with you?
Sorry, me dear.
No, the
Sorry,
man,
me daughter.
him turn under the government.
Watch your step, all right?
All right, all right. Tell me. Me in the house?
Yes, Daddy, you're in.
It look pretty. The house look good. The damn boy will carry me and tell me. The boy will drive like in the Pan Vernon field. Listen to the boy, tap me piece. The boy wouldn't tap. I say, young man, tap me piece. The boy tell me, tap the car, jump out of the car. I just piss by the driver's seat. After all.
Young man, bring those bags in for me and hurry up.
Allah ya tell, outside and bright. Welcome to the Pegasus Hotel. Talk to me now. I want me to make you with the man pissing now. I want to vacuum that. When I talk about the summer vulgar, look what the man do. But probably I'm going to talk about the man way. You know how you look like somebody piss on you. The man piss up in the case, you want me for clean that. You think me should clean that? Tell the girl I made the truth. Talk to me now. You stand up like you're a mannequin. No man, this don't look good. You dumb. Oh Lord. Mama! 2,500. Jesus. And the first Mercedes. Look how you big and dumb. See, you can't say nothing and tell out in your mouth. Say, boo! 2,500. All you have a right for them. Look how your mouth big and ugly. Oh Lord. 2,500. Me not tell you a lie. Remember the grade 1 book will say, I am a boy. I am big. See my bag here. Jesus. No man, 2,500 my friend. There's so many rights in the world. So nobody not trouble you when you're young. 2,500.
Young man, how much do I owe?
I'm sorry. Oh, what kind of nest this much up in now? The blind, the deaf, and them. Me I come up before me cripple.
Wait, how we must face it? How we are blind deaf and dumb? How we are shut up, boy? Eh? How we are shut up? How we are shut up? After all. Here are making ones.
How much I owe?
How are you do? Me can't take your money. My conscience are beat me. Me never knew it was a rescue home. Jesus. You know them me had good goodie. You see, if you want vroom vroom, she not understand that. They not gonna pay them. Oh, so something here. See me number here. Ping pong, pong pong, put it there. They are so deaf people ignorant. No man, no talk to me though. How can I wickedness on the family them though? No, it's on the curse. And once somebody alone can clear this on a Jesus!
I got nothing.
When you're not going anywhere, sit down.
No, I'm not going away. I'm going to stay.
Sit down, you're not going anywhere.
Listen, I'm not going away. I'm going to stay. I'm going to sit down, tell me.
Sit down.
I'm going to backside one with you, girl. I'm going to sit down. You're going to bowl it. You're not going anywhere. Sit down. Little girl, we are chat to. Huh. After all, you're not going nowhere. Sit down. Tell me, you're pregnant. The way you lick me hand for?
Daddy, I'm not pregnant.
You're not pregnant, I'm fat, so. So tell me, where do you work this world every day? Tell me, you listen to say your man worthless. Any man who can breed a woman worthless. Tell me, why you don't throw bone on them backside? At least when I get some grand picnic, because the boy too worthless.
Daddy, will you please leave my personal affairs alone?
Never leave your personal life alone.
But make sure he no breathe nobody out the door, you know. Because if he ever breathe anybody out the door, I throw it up here on them backside, the kind to what is. I don't talk. I'm 50 now, no me got. That mean man better than man. And feel man, what is? Your mama was a good man. Tell me, miss. Tell me, Papa. Tell me, Cooper. Tell me, Cooper.
Daddy, you know I'm still standing here?
Tell me. You don't go away. Tell me, up in here with you. Tell me. Why every time I'm talking to you, you move up and down? Eh? Tell me. You move up and down too much. That's why you can't breathe.
Then come here alone, can't drink half this. Go for one cup and make you some frat. And the new juice, they will come down in and they stand up in the night till daylight. No one of them.
Hey, no bother with that, because that not going to help you. Look here now. You know say me I go eh? You know say me I go a foreign door. You don't know what I go on at daytime, you know. You don't know what I go on. Barack Obama called me say me fit come out.
Then.
Yeah, man, yeah, you hear what me say. You're not get no stroke, you're not dead, and you're not deaf. Me a gone foreign left you, so hear what? You ain't gonna see me no more.
Hey. They like a foreign, she get the accent, but she not get the beard, you know. They lady have to go beard, because the animal planet, the man not going to carry a pan.
D!
How are you?
Jesus, is what me I left you for?
It's nice.
The politician call.
I lie. So many tell the politician boy say me have the phone. I mean talk the things.
But dear politician.
And so
No. I'm not taking another day of this foolishness, man. Now look at it. The man blind, right? And if you know that you're blind, it means you not know him. But if you not know him, sit down on the toilet seat, no man. Jesus Christ, man. God, man. Sure. Nah, man. No, he must come out here, you know. I'm not taking another day of this man to rot it, man. No, I never married to him. I married him that. I should not have to put up with this man. Jesus Christ. No, man. Hello? Hey, Shirley, Randy Jonesy. Tell me something. That last year Jamaica flight to Cuba, has it left us yet? It's on the runway. Shirley, you need to call it back. Shirley, don't tell me you can't do it, man. You did it for a foreigner the other day. You got into trouble for that one? They really demoted you? Oh, sorry. I didn't realize that. You say you can't help me. All right. Thanks anyway. I'm going to remember this when I get elected. Do you hear? All right. I will find another way. I must get rid of this man, man. The man too damn miserable and out of order.
Moment like this.
What the hell is wrong with this woman, man?
Some people wait a lifetime for that one special kiss. Oh, I can't believe it's happening to me. Honey, what is wrong with you?
Man, you choke me. Yeah?
Honey, I was working on a song for you.
That was a song for me? Oh, God. Next time you notify me before you start singing, yeah? But now that you tell me, I think it's a beautiful song, you know. Yeah, yes, man. Hey, you know what just dawned on me? You see, if I should lose this election campaign, I'm going to have to become your producer.
You would?
Oh, yes.
Oh.
And you know, there's not a chance in hell I can lose. My smile, no, man. Elma, sometimes you need to relax a bit and let your hair down, you know, man. All right, enough of your thing. Tell me something. I've been searching around the house looking for my phone. Have you seen it?
Have you seen me?
What does that have to do with the phone?
When was the last time you took a really good look at me?
You know what? This is what I can never understand about you women, you know. I'm here talking about something as important as my phone. You going to ask me when last have I taken a good look at you? Then how can you be so insensitive, man? God. Then the world now revolve around you know. Then sometimes you have to put other people before you. You can't be so selfish, man.
But honey, it's not like you can't make a call.
Really?
But what about when I call?
What about it?
It's just a phone.
You're right. Look out for me. It's just a phone. Just a blasted phone, Thelma. Just a phone. But you know something? You see you're just a wife. Just a blasted wife.
Honey, I know you don't mean that. I'm sorry, all right? Would you like me to rub your feet?
Thelma. Thelma, it's not as if I want to be involved in an argument with you all the while, you know, man. Oh, Thelma, when you bring your father here to live with us at a time like this, Thelma is grey hair you're giving me, you know.
But honey, you don't have any hair. And, you know, I told you it's only for a short while.
But Thelma, the man is talking about selling him house. We're going to live when him come back from Cuba. Thelma, if I can't take this man when him blind, how am I going to take him when him can't see? You don't get it, don't? You know, you never get it. God, man, I should have divorced you the day after I married. Jesus. Hello? Rose, have you found the phone? Listen, Rose, I'm not in the mood for no damn foolishness, so you know. You have 4 of you in the office. Don't tell me that 4 people can't find a phone. Listen to me. If I have to leave what I'm doing and come down here, you know, all 4 of you better run, you know. What? You call the phone, and somebody answer, and say, and so. Listen to me. I don't know what that means, and frankly, I don't care. You have proved yourself to be totally inefficient, so I will handle my business from now on. You understand what I'm saying to you, Rose? You understand me, Rose? Rose? What this damn woman and a man? I mean, I talking to her and she put... Hello? Hey. Rose? How can I be talking to her as your boss and you put on the phone and talk to somebody else? Only not a manners, man. No. You see that person that just disturbed my call? You need to fire them. I don't care if he has a problem, fire him too. You know, Rose? Fire your damn self as well. Sorry.
What is wrong with you? You can't go and find people. What are you, Capitan, the fireman? Randy, I'm talking to you. I'm your wife. Have some respect. Randy Jones. What is wrong with this man, though? Randy, I'm talking to you, you know.
You know, you call the driver. Tell him to pick me up at 10. And I mean, do it now.
Oh, so now I'm your secretary.
You know what? Call the driver. Tell him to pick me up at 10.
Something is seriously wrong with this man, you know. Rose? Yeah. Listen, don't fire anybody. Randy was just joking, all right? Yes. Rose, don't be ridiculous. My husband could never be cheating on me. I'm his wife. I should know. Listen, I'll talk to you later. George, pick up Randy at 10. Have you seen his phone? Or if you find it, give me a call right away. Honey, George has not seen your phone, you know.
What? What? You're fired! That is so wrong, Gate.
And who is going to take you to work now? Huh? Randy, I'm talking to you now. Who is going to take you? What is wrong with this man, though?
Come on. You know, listen, since you have so much problem with this, you find me a driver. And I mean today.
And if I don't, what are you going to do, Mr. Jones? Huh?
am strong, strong. I am invincible, invincible. I am
woman. You damn fool! You never see me. Suppose you bounce me down, eh? Move your backside. You smell like green jackfruit. After all, you want like you're a madman. You don't see me. No wonder you're blind. Damn fool. Me not see where me I go. And me I go where me not see. And you can't see and I go where you see. Damn fool. Damn here. Thelma. Thelma.
Yes, Daddy.
Thelma. Abali, Abal. Thelma. Abal, you crying? Did the politician hit you? Thelma. Where him there?
That he's on the road, all right?
On the road? Let me just see him pass me a while ago. I can't see more of the young people. I can't say that damn boy is not good for you, but you can't see. So come here, you should blind her. How can a man go into politics and he can't breed a woman? The boy, what this? Yes, sit down and look for me. Me say, your man, what this? Yes, so you think me can't see you? You think, yes, look for me. Me say, your man, what this? Of course.
You know I don't need your advice. You're not good at taking advice, so don't try and give me any.
Thelma, I'm an experienced man. I want you to turn up and listen to me. I always give you advice. I said to you, talk to the lawyer boy, you remember? And what you said to me? Into ugly. But the same ugly lawyer boy have 4 pretty picnic. I go back again and said, talk to the boy who own the supermarket. What you say? Into maga. But the same maga boy have 2.5 fat picnic. And sit there now. You talk with the worthless boy. He better say that when the ranking boy we can come here at least have some ranking grand picnic. Yes, stand up and look for me. Your man worthless. Tell me you could have begs to come over. Me say your man worthless. Begs, yes. Begs as much. Tell me you can't grab me, me your pooper. Me say your man worthless. After all. Are you there, Chato? Tell me, Mr. Young Man, what this?
You know, I'm very convinced you're mentally ill. So can I have some attention and your respect?
Tell me, you have attention.
Well, Rennie now will be having a baby.
Me right it, then tell me. Make it in, tell me. Come sit down. Make it in, tell me. Look how me a saying worthless. Make it in, tell me, same breed, yo. So you're how much months pregnant?
I did not say I was pregnant.
Tell me, get up from side of me. He look like you're worthless too. Tell me, is either you're breed or you're not breed? Which one? Tell me, say, is either you're breed or you're not breed? Which one?
You know, I'm not a little girl anymore, you know. I'm a big woman. So will you please allow me to live my life in peace? The only reason you're here is because of your operation. Don't lose sight of that.
You know, me not go Cuba.
What's your bed, man?
Me not go Cuba. Because anyone me go Cuba and come back and can't see. Me and that boy not turning up. He might fit Cuba. I mean it. Because your man too worthless. I go on my bed. Tell me, your man worthless. I go on my bed. Tell me, your man worthless. I go on my bed.
Daddy?
Tell me, wanna move the step for? Tell me, you are the man who built the step. Worthless.
calling me from no, man, I this so bad. Eh? I heard this. I open a court, you know. Oh. I mean, I have no money. Who's calling me from an unknown number?
personal driver.
You know, so when you freak this on the phone, but I'm freak. Hello, Milk.
So are you the driver or not?
Yeah, you want my drive?
Well, I'm looking for a personal driver to drive my husband.
How what you know about me? I mean, you want some Bluetooth? How this?
My husband is a politician. I want you to take him to and from work.
Lord Jesus. Then you want me to give us a certain man, look, I need to put a docket like in your clinic. Then if your husband lives, come really want to work in a man. Thank you, Jesus.
Can you recall the address you dropped a blind man off the other day?
Where's that? Where's that while ago?
A blind man, you took him to this address?
No, what me telling about the blind man say? Me not telling you, me not care, I'm going to become pissed too much. Wanna fix him blood yet? You know the way me I tell it, me want me fair flush. Me not doing it. God know me not doing it. No care my book and hunger, me not doing it.
You know the blind man is my father.
You know, I threw my anxiety chip in. Sorry. Sorry. My friend, me can ask you a question?
Mm-hmm.
The blind man is the father, right?
Yeah.
The deaf lady is what to you? No. Between me and you know, nervous up there. A pure damage goods there, you know. You're going to go show you're brave.
So can I expect you at 10?
10 a.m. or p.m. I do the night work in a car. I'm a call girl and my body can't go up to night, Drew. I'm not properly immunized, so come on.
10 a.m.
All right, my love. Jesus, she brave.
Thelma? Thelma? Thelma?
Thelma?
Susan, I'm upstairs.
Thelma?
What's up? My darling, guess what? Come here, my God. You know, I found the perfect woman to bear your child. You have? And guess what? You're going to love her.
So she's here?
Oh, yeah, she's here. Just fix up and straighten up. I'll bring her right inside. Oh, no. Don't come and kill the surprise man. It's the night here. Straighten up till I get back. 2 minutes, okay? My God, in the name of Jesus, woman, what are you doing in the territory?
Sorry, ma'am, sorry. But you want to rent one and they buy the part of that's why they copy as I put down no.
Come on, get down. Come on, get down.
Yeah, mind friend, so mind me jumping on your head, mind not.
Come on, pick up the things and let's go. Come
Yeah,
on,
you see me suitcase, the
see
man.
them right here. 2 minutes.
Yeah. Sorry
All right,
about
this
that.
is what you do.
All right, sorry. Sorry then, no? Sorry.
Yeah. I would like to meet Miss Thelma Jones. Miss Thelma Jones. This is Dalcita. This is the young lady I was telling you about.
Awa, yeah, look for me, sofa. Look here, me have somebody, me no dopey. He doctor come for me early this morning, and we never get fit up a road, and me want PP, and me a dead for Didi.
Oh, bathroom. What is the bathroom? Bathroom.
Are you drunk?
No, I'm not. What is wrong with you?
So how dare you bring a mad woman inside my house, Susan?
Thelma, man, come on. What is the matter with you?
She has no proper conduct, it seems. What is that?
Thelma, calm yourself. Just calm yourself. I've had her checked out thoroughly. She make a look.
Education level could she possibly have?
She may look a little rusty, but she's pedigree, you know.
How many children, Susan?
Well, she dropped out of primary school quite early. And
that is not the question I asked.
She's the virgin
of
the community.
And many
children. One beautiful child, and the child is only 5 years old, already preparing for G-Sat. What is wrong, Delsita? What is the matter?
Me full of update. Me I use him, mama. Me just it a run over. You have any map, mom? You could have lent me.
You have any map?
Let me one of you frack, no, mom. Quick. Oh, right it. Remember now. Remember something. Yeah, me the care. Me tell me that say never stay me care shit. Never know say would have come over saying over. You have your box your Bible.
Something like this to me, Susan. You know how much money I spent on that Persian rug? I can't believe you do this to me, you know.
I don't understand you. You complain you don't want her here, and now you complain about a silly rug? A silly rug, Thelma? What in God's name is wrong with you? Who you wanted me to go bring inside here, huh? A Beyonce or at least a Hannah to come prowl around with your husband? Come on, you think about it.
Wait. We can't go no further. Me tired, man, and me one up there when I no couldn't come. Jesus. We can't go no more, God. Jesus. Miss, the doctor said they might take his sperm from your husband and put in a me a man.
Yes, that's so true.
Oh, so you get help and put on up for me already? What?
You'll be living here with us like a...
Where much I say? Where
She said, you'll be living here with us like a family.
Oh, you live here too?
Oh, no. You'll be living here with Miss Thelma and her husband.
Oh, her husband. Her husband! Me glad you mentioned husband. Miss, talk to your husband, you know. Warn him. If you ever try to jump me in, that'll be me fault.
violent woman into my house.
She's not a violent
Me not violent. And that we do no man who no love talk truth. It's very day as a man and talk it truth. If a man want take you something, your name give man your something. You know tab him? Well, make your husband make him here and try a thing with me in here. He might first wanna hang. I like how we there, make we start out everything. Me want me one room, me want TV, and me want regular credit for call back a country. Me no know where you cook and me no care where you name, me only name chicken back and dumpling.
What is wrong with you? No. You listen to me. You'll be living here with Miss Thelma and her husband, so you have to stick to a special diet.
Plus, okay, she'll have to attend exercise classes and coaching sessions for delivery.
Mr. Olympics done. Me no understand you. Me a picking you. Me never go through
child, you know.
Oh, you got.
One child with a very long name, you know.
So me say balance some money, I go that part there I go.
You will get the rest of the money after the baby is born.
After the baby is born, I bet claim you can't me come. No, it's alright. Me never left me out to come so far.
You can go.
Look here, what? You are the shepherd. When the 3 wise men come, they will find film picking the excuse. Sorry.
That's it.
You can't go dictating terms as if you're the one hiring us.
Rude. No, doctor, you hear her in there?
It's a behavior.
No, you see me trouble her? No, Taki got you. Me say nothing wrong when me go in there. No, let me go. Man, you tear up me clothes, you know, let me go.
the nerve of some people.
Look here. From me come up here, me notice that you this a hypey and a clumsy, right? And a attitude. But look here, me not really want rude to you. But Barack Obama say yes we can. Can you breathe? No, doctor, when me I say, media coach, right? I mean, how a little man, he my wife and you know, see you now,
I'm sorry about that.
I think you need to control it, you know, because this is a total waste of my time. Now my husband is not here. He's in Miami for 2 weeks, and he would have to approve you. So now would be a good time for you to leave.
Husband not here, so I have to approve me. So you really pick me up and carry me come a bureau of standards. No. So at 2 week years, man, now go there for 2 weeks. You go sit down up here and have no sex. No man, don't know sitting wrong up here, man.
What exactly did you tell this girl? There'll be no sex here. I can't imagine you having disgusting.
I can't imagine you. Look here, you up here and have sex and nothing not go on for you. You don't need you, me need
You cut it right there.
No, but doctor, that me a talk about, you know. Doctor, you didn't give me profile when me come up here. You didn't tell us your dead seat and me name. You don't tell her about me website, www.whentheirseathavsex.com. Problem. Would I give you a link to the website there, you know? But me put a password for it so that means that me have it locked. What that's stupid. Doctor, you see me, you know, eh? I can't tell about control. You look like fireman, you're there on bird control. If she want me up here, you know, she don't know that she have to make me comfortable. And when me say comfortable, me mean very, very comfortable. Or else, you see you not have no children around here.
Oh my Lord, that's so pretty, bright and colorful and feel Sesame Street. And rich people live here. Them kitchen big and nice though, I like it. On TV, I don't see them talking. hate one story. I love them house here. Them give things all when you ask for it. And them life I'm feeling. But not to the like only if they'll see they're gonna see me now.
Driver.
Yeah.
Driver.
I owe that.
Where's this damn man? Driver.
It's all that. Driver. Yes, sir. My foot stuck in the carpet.
Me tell them not left me one up here, you know?
No.
Come in, bossy.
No.
Yes, bossy.
No, but you say you just
come in, man. Lord, man. Come in. Hey, me tell you, body down the road say you must be big and nice and colorful. You must feel like Big Bird. Up here, nice, bad. I have your one piece over here, so, yeah. No, man, I will get a fifth and set here from. It's busy though.
Hello.
No.
Hello. Hello.
No, man, it's not like God, no.
Hello.
You not get you.
Come here. Come on. Come. Come here now.
Don't do that. You think it's a dog you're calling? You depend come like any scandal bag. I don't like it, man. I don't play so rough. For sure.
You know something? I realized that when my wife hired you, she didn't explain the rules and regulations for you, you know. Well, let me tell you something, you see. You see, when we pull up in the driveway, you get out, you come around and you open my door. Now that allows me out. You get my things, you follow me up the walkway. When we get to the front door, you come around and you open that for me. Now that allows me inside. When we come in, you put my things down, you take yourself back out. Under no circumstance do you cross that imaginary line right there. Are we clear?
You see me, I shake my head and my nerves bad. So tell me something, why nobody never come over there, sir? What does show over there, sir?
It's just that the help does not cross the line.
Oh, no wicked, don't have the help stand up right here, so for the entire day. What a wicked set of people. And she have a faith and courage for all fear position. Nothing right, God no. And I mean, you call help.
Now listen to me. I'm going to need you to stop by party headquarters and drop off a package. After you leave there, they will give you a package, you take the roads at the office.
You see, Bolt, slow down. The record broke already. I say I'm going to give my mother something for the children. I'm tired.
I'm almost certain I didn't hear you correctly, you know.
You never hear me say? I told them the tax, I told have low voltage. I'm tired! Child, I'm blind. I'm tired. I'm not doing it.
So, let me ask you something, you see? Let me ask you something. When you came here begging for this job, you see?
Oh boy,
didn't it then dawn on you that just maybe you were going to need time off to go visit your mother to give her something for the hungry belly picnic that we have a country?
Who is this big thinking stretch out, man?
No. You're damn right, kid.
No, man, we know me and my family. Hey, man, you have to put on my bloomers and pumps and wire, you know, boy.
You know it's quite obvious that you have no idea who the hell you're talking to.
Don't feel special. The last time I go Google your name, it says still searching. Goddamn bride. Yeah. Oh, just somebody. Yeah. Yeah, nobody. Not even the directory your name, the girl.
You know, it's people like you. It is people like you who are driving this country into the ground.
And the politicians like you make the country so stinking. Nobody know one Bluetooth you. Where?
I don't have to take this. I do not have to take this. Put my keys down and get out. You're fired.
I want to use Scooby-Doo do.
Get out.
You want this?
Get out.
And not my fault, you know.
Get out.
A good mother and a creative father bring a talented child.
Oh.
You get left. And not my fault to shape like ultra down.
Get out. Damn right and out of order. I don't have to put up with this. I refuse to put up with this. All of this is Thelma's fault. He has simply said to her, find me a driver. And that is what you could have come up with. Nah, man, I am not going to tell me I have to come in here.
I'm not your fault. You can't fire me because you never hire me. And you won't score me. So talk to me now. What time you want me to pick you up?